Hi, this is Tribute to the Gabriel, video 2. It's again Fortune Lady deck. This is just a fast run through this deck. So I got 3 Future Visions, 1 Secret Village of the Spellcasters, 3 Magical Dimension, 3 Fortune's Future, 1 Time Passage, 1 MST, Pot of Avarice, Card Trader, Allure of Darkness, it's limited, Brain Control, Heavy Storm, Lighty. Remember, you have to run free. If you run less than 3, you're a fucking noob. Sorry, I didn't mean that. 2 Fiery. I'm thinking of running free, but I'm not sure yet. 1 Windy, just to destroy spell cards. 2 Watery. 3 Darky, it's a must, free. And 2 Earthy. I run 2 Earthy because it gives me some extra choices to pick on when I special summon. Because also I'm running out of Lady Fortune monsters in my deck. 1 Chaos Sorcerer, he's limited now, remember that. Thunder King Ryo, he's damn good. You can negate 1 special summon and destroy that monster. Pretty much anti every deck. Tragodia, limited now. Gorse, 3 Compulsory, and 2 Bottomless, 1 Magical, Tronso Tribute, Mirror Force, Call, and Solemn Judgment. And remember, Lady Fortune monsters get a bit more attack for every standby phase that goes, because they get 1 more level. You can also use cards as Synchro Boost. It adds 1 level and 500 attack points to 1 monster. It's a crap spell. It's pretty good because they get some more attack points plus 1 level. Even though it writes on the Lady Fortune monsters that they only can reach level 12, it says they can only reach level 12 by this effect. So it means they can easily get more levels by other cards' effects. Just only level 12 by their own effect. Alright, this is a short version of Lady Fortune. Thanks for watching. Tribute to the Gabriel.